Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the light emitting diode. Okay, this is an optical device and its name is LED, means light emitting diode. So what is LED? So LED is an optoelectronic device. It works in the forward bias of the PN junction diode, just like this, and it emits light spontaneously. So this is the PN junction diode, and it operates in the PN junction diode as forward bias, like this. So okay, so LED means it is a light emitting diode, and it works in the forward bias of the PN junction diode, and it emits the light spontaneously, means ये spontaneously ही light का emission करता है और ये PN junction diode के forward bias में work करता है. तो like this, simply we can denote it. This is the PN junction diode which attached in forward bias like this, and this is its symbol. Like this, symbol of LED. Okay, so LED is an electronic device, okay, which operates in the forward bias of PN junction diode, and it emits light spontaneously like this, and this is its symbol. So initially the in both region P and N, here the axis rays of the magnetic carrier in the P region and in the N region. So initially axis-ness of magnetic carrier in both P and N region. Okay, and as well as the concentration of the magnetic carriers becomes greater than the concentration of equilibrium. यानी जैसे ही मैग्नेटिक कैरियर्स की कंसंट्रेशन इक्विलिब्रियम कंसंट्रेशन से ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. ओके, सो ऐसा होते ही ये जो मैग्नेटिक कैरियर्स थे ये क्या कर लेंगे, देन मैग्नेटिक कैरियर्स recombines with the carriers, charge carriers. ओके, ये हो जाएगा. ये जंक्शन पॉइंट की बात है. तो जंक्शन पर जैसे ही मैग्नेटिक कैरियर्स की कंसंट्रेशन इक्विलिब्रियम कंसंट्रेशन से ग्रेटर हो जाएगी, देन मैग्नेटिक कैरियर्स रिकम्बाइन विद द चार्ज कैरियर, एंड इन दिस प्रोसेस it is the condition where produce a photon whose energy now produce a photon in the form of energy like h nu इस फॉर्म में होगा, और ये लेस देन और इक्वल टू एनर्जी गैप होती है. क्लियर? सो अगेन this is the initially axis-ness of magnetic carriers in both region P region and N region, and as well as the concentration of magnetic carriers become the greater than concentration at equilibrium, then the magnetic carriers recombined with the charge carrier and produced a photon in the form of energy, and that energy is less than or equal to the energy gap. Okay, इतना होना चाहिए। और जैसे ही ऐसा होता है कि एच न्यू ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू Eg, देन प्रोड्यूस और फ्लोज सम करंट। ओके, तो देन फ्लोज सम करंट। यो इनिशियली ये लाइट जो होती है, जो इमिट होती है, वो कम होती है। इनिशियली द लाइट इज वेरी low light intensity, but as well as this current will increases, then the light intensity will increases gradually. Okay, so the LED is designed in the such a way that it always gives their maximum efficiency. So एक बार repeat करते हैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक। LED light emitting diode or light emitted diode. Okay, it's an electronic device or optoelectronic device which operates in the forward biasing of PN junction diode and it emits light spontaneously, यानी अपने आप ही लाइट का emission करती है। Okay, and this is its circuit diagram and this is its symbol. Let's start. Initially the excessness of magnetic carriers in both region, P region and N region, but as well as the concentration of magnetic carriers greater than becomes greater than the concentration at equilibrium, then the magnetic carriers, जो magnetic carriers थे दोनों तरफ excess amount में, वो the magnetic carriers recombined with the charge carriers, okay, and produced a photon in the form of energy. एनर्जी के फॉर्म में एक फोटोन प्रोड्यूस करेगा। जैसे ही वो फोटोन प्रोड्यूस होगा मींस एच न्यू लेस देन और इक्वल टू द एनर्जी गैप, देन देयर विल फ्लो सम करंट एंड प्रोड्यूस सम लाइट। Initially this light is very low or light intensity is very low, but as well as this current will increases, then the intensity of light or light whatever be emitted by this diode be increases gradually. Okay, ये धीरे धीरे क्या होता जाएगा, इंक्रीज करता जाएगा। तो आगे क्या होगा, LED जो है वो डिजाइन भी ऐसे ही किया जाते हैं। The LED is designed in such a way that they will gives maximum output, यानी maximum efficiency दे, इसी के हिसाब से ही LED जो है डिजाइन किए जाते हैं। And some LEDs like this, तो LED के लिए मेन मोस्ट कंडीशन क्या है कि ये जो LED है इनके लिए एनर्जी गैप लाइज बिटवीन 1.8 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट टू 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट एंड इट्स wavelength region is 0.4 micrometer to 0.7 micrometer, ये होना चाहिए। ओके, अब देखते हैं यहाँ पर LED के लिए। सो हियर a compound semiconductor like gallium arsenide phosphide. This is a compound semiconductor which used for the making of LEDs. So for red LED energy gap कितना होगा 1.9 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट and its value is gallium arsenide phosphide, ये यूज होता है। ओके, एंड फॉर infrared LED whose energy gap is equal to 1.4 electron volt and here use the gallium arsenide. Okay, so this is the main condition, the energy region and the wavelength region for the making of LED is this 1.4 electron volt to 3 electron volt and wavelength region lies 0.4 micrometer to 0.7 micrometer. Here the compound semiconductor just like gallium arsenide phosphide whose energy gap is 1.9 electron volt and it used for the making of red LED, and for the making of infrared LED its energy gap is 1.4 electron volt and using this gallium arsenide semiconductor. Okay, and now the usage of this LED, so it used the LEDs uses for the remote control and optical communication and burglar alarms, यानी चोर घंटियां जो होती हैं उनके लिए भी यूज किए जाते हैं. सो यूजेज, इट यूज फॉर द remote and control, okay, and it use also the burglar alarms and also use the optical communication. So these are the uses of the LEDs, and the benefits of the LED, it works in the low voltage and low power loss, okay, and its life is very long. It means it's a long life, and it operates at the very low voltage, okay. And here we can also say that rapid action process पर भी work करते हैं. So here no any time gap required, and it means the LEDs works in the rapid action and also works in the Wi-Fi process. So simply we can say that these are the uses of the LEDs: remote and control, burglars, alarms, and the optical communication. And the benefits of this here, because it's a very small sizes, very low voltage, and the power loss is very low, and the it works in the process of Wi-Fi process पर work करते हैं. It works in the process of Wi-Fi and long life and no any time gap. It means it works in the rapid action. So this is the LED.